Hello friends, welcome on the channel Chemistry with Vanchika. Today I am going to show you the previous year question paper of 2017 and 18 of MSc Semester 1 Inorganic Chemistry. Question number 1 is the compulsory question. Each question carries 3 marks. Now here it's a previous year question paper of 2018. In the first question, you have to derive the spectroscopic ground state of D1 and D2 configurations. In the second question, you have to explain that what is meant by the DD transition in case of the transition metal complexes, and discuss the electronic spectrum of the given coordination compound. The next question that has been asked is that given explanation for the observation that the given compound is diamagnetic. Now here it is the question number D. Here this one is the question number D of the compulsory question. Which of the following do diatomic species have the same bond order? NO, ICl, CO or B2? Explain the trend of bond angle at nitrogen for the series, and you have to explain the trend of the bond angles in the given compounds. You have to explain that bond एंगल्स का जो ट्रेंड है वो आपको यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करना है. नाइट्रोजन के लिए बॉन्ड एंगल का ट्रेंड क्या होगा इन सीरीज में, ये आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है इस क्वेश्चन में. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड दैट विच वन इज द बेटर बेस, वाटर और अमोनिया. आपको बताना है कि वाटर और अमोनिया में विच वन इज द बेटर बेस एंड एक्सप्लेन इट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द बेंड्स रूल. What are the limitations of the crystal field theory? Why silicon fluoride and sulfur fluoride have different geometries? इनकी geometries क्यों different होती हैं, इसका आपको reason बताना है. Predict the point group for, और ये जो TCl4 and POCl3 में आपको point group predict करना है, कौन सा point group होगा. And the last question of the compulsory question is that on the basis of the hybridization account for the difference in axial and equatorial PF bond lengths in PF3. Sorry, it's given the PF5 in PF5. Okay. Now here it is given the unit number 1 of long answers. What is the point group? Describe the rules relating to the determinations of the symmetry point groups of the molecules. यहाँ पे प्रिंटिंग थोड़ी सी ब्लर है, दैट्स वाई आई एम रीडिंग द क्वेश्चन. so that you may understand it very well and practice more and more questions for your exams. Here it is the B part of the unit, second question of the unit number 1. Determine the symmetry point group of PF5 and SF4. And next question that has been given, the B part, is that explain a mathematical group and improper rotational axis. A brief note you have to give in on these two topics. In the second unit, the fourth question says that describe the method of the linear combination of the atomic orbitals to obtain the molecular orbital. Give the shapes and symmetries of the sigma, pi, del molecular orbitals. Explain delocalized pi bonding in the carbonate ion. And the question number 5, the first part of the question number 5 is given that discuss how trend in physical parameters, electronegativity, bond order, bond angle can be explained on the basis of s orbital participation, that means Bent rule. And the B part of the question number 4 is that discuss the geometry of the water or carbon dioxide on the basis of the Walsh diagram. Now moving towards the third unit, the question that has been asked in the third unit is that draw the Tanabe-Sunago diagram for the octahedral vanadium 3+ in aqueous solution ion and show all possible electronic transmissions. Here it is the second question of the unit 3. Explain the various types of the electronic spectra and discuss the electronic spectra of this given compound. Now moving towards the next unit, which is unit number 4. In this unit, the first question that has been asked is that define isopolyacids. How they differ from heteropolyacids, and illustrate your answer with suitable examples of molybdenum and tungsten. Mention reasons for anomalous magnetic moments, citing examples of the iron trade metal. And the second part of the question number 9 is that outline the magnetic consequences of the spin orbit coupling. I hope this video will prove helpful for you all. All the best friends for your exams. And अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है, please like the video and subscribe the channel if you still have not subscribed it.